The origin of humans, our story on Earth. 1. How long have humans been on Earth? Modern humans, Homo sapiens, have existed for approximately 300,000 years. This estimate is based on fossil evidence discovered in places like Morocco, Jebel Irhoud, and genetic studies. However, our evolutionary ancestors have been around for millions of years. 2. The evolutionary journey. The story of humans is part of the broader story of life on Earth, which began about 3.5 to 4 billion years ago with the appearance of single-celled organisms. Over billions of years, life evolved from simple bacteria to complex multicellular organisms, eventually giving rise to animals, and much later to primates. Primates, our closest relatives, the primates, monkeys, apes, etc., appeared around 60 to 70 million years ago. Hominins, the lineage that led to modern humans, split from the common ancestor with chimpanzees around 6 to 7 million years ago. Australopithecus, one of the earliest known hominin genera, lived about 4 to 2 million years ago. Homo habilis, among the first members of our genus Homo, lived about 2.4 to 1.4 million years ago. Homo erectus lived around 1.9 million to 110,000 years ago, used tools, and may have used fire. Homo sapiens appeared around 300,000 years ago, with complex language, tools, and culture. 3. How did humans appear? We did not appear suddenly. Homo sapiens evolved gradually through a long process of natural selection and adaptation from earlier hominins. Key features that evolved include bipedalism, walking on two legs, larger brains, complex language and symbolic thought, tool use and creation, social structures and cooperation. This process happened over millions of years and involved many different hominin species, some of which coexisted with us, like the Neanderthals, Homo neanderthalensis, who lived in Europe and parts of Asia until about 40,000 years ago. 4. The spread across the globe. Early Homo sapiens originated in Africa and began migrating to other parts of the world around 60,000, 70,000 years ago. Over time, they reached Asia and Europe, 50,000 years ago, Australia, 50,000 years ago, the Americas, 15,000, 20,000 years ago, remote islands like Polynesia, last few thousand years. As they spread, humans adapted to different climates and environments, leading to the diverse cultures and physical traits we see today. 5. Cultural and technological evolution. Stone Age. Early humans used stone tools and lived as hunter-gatherers. Agricultural Revolution, 10,000 years ago. Humans began farming, domesticating animals and forming permanent settlements. Bronze and Iron Ages, rise of cities, writing, and early civilizations, e.g. Mesopotamia, Egypt, India, China. Modern history, rapid development of science, technology, and society in the last few centuries, especially after the Industrial Revolution. 6. What is the true story of humans? The true story is still being written. Science, through archaeology, paleontology, genetics, and anthropology, gives us an ever clearer picture. While ancient myths and religious texts offer various creation stories, the scientific explanation is based on evidence from fossils, DNA, and geological data. Humans are not separate from nature. We are a product of it. Our journey involves both survival and creativity, shaped by our ability to cooperate, communicate, and innovate. Though young compared to Earth's age, 4.5 billion years, humans have dramatically altered the planet in a short time.